Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I just want to do a quick review of Cardone's CV drive axle. Just a really quick unboxing so you guys can see kind of how it comes packaged with some styrofoam on the ends. It also, like most car parts, where there's going to be some grease and stuff, they're going to put some plastic, bags or coating over it, a little rubber band to hold it in place. This is for my mother's Subaru Forester. So if you guys are looking for a drive axle that looks accordingly, this will probably be the one that you're looking for. You guys can see this is the wheel end over here, and then this is the end that goes towards the middle of the car, towards the drive axle. But this Cardone makes really great parts. I've purchased other parts from Cardone, and they always either match OEM or they'll go above and beyond OEM with their manufacturing. So their parts are definitely great. They always fit really, really well, and they last, a really long time. We've put other Cardones on my mother's car with no issues whatsoever. You guys can see the construction of the boot here is solid. And again, this is the packaging that it comes in. Of course, it comes in this box, and then it comes inside of another Amazon box, right? So yeah, if you guys are looking for a CV, drive axle, highly recommend Cardone parts. All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching another Smart Tips product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.